Next up is one of the rare bayonets. It's a Chinese AKM. It's a black one, but it's a black one with a very green hue, a very green sheen to it when it's in the sunlight or in very dark, when very deep light. So the auction pictures are really not that good. You can't tell the green hardly at all. You can kind of see it in this picture, but we've got some pictures that I took of this bayonet that's at the Pot of Gold auctions out in this Arizona sun, without any special filters or anything. So this was a version of the black AK Type II, AKM Type II bayonets from China. No saw, no wire cutters, and you can see in the sunlight, it has a very OD green color to it, and it's, as bayonet collectors, we're not sure if it's a manufacturing issue, but they're very rare, and this one's available at Pot of Gold. So let us know what you think. We'll be watching the comments wherever you find the video, over on gunstreamer.com or on guntube.org. Thank you for supporting our projects. If you'd like to buy us a cup of coffee, check out our Patreon channel.
The guys and gals of gunwebsites.com encourages you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thank you for watching gunwebsites.com.